next things we want to talk about are action plans. Now, action plans are the tactics that you use to accomplish the goals which enable you to achieve the vision of your company or the strategic plan. So you have your vision, your mission, your goals, your action plans, along with your internal and external factors. You develop these things to create your strategic plan. Now we're talking about the action plans themselves, the tactics, the execution to achieve the vision, the strategy. And you have certain parts. You have the what and the why. The what is probably the most important piece. It's obviously what you're going to be doing. And the why is the second most important piece. Because if you understand the reasons why you're trying to achieve something, then the rest falls into place. You'll figure the rest out. If the why is strong enough, then the result is there. You'll achieve the what if you understand the why. The next piece is the who. Who's going to accomplish this? Who's going to work on this? Making sure you have the right person for the right job. And then how are you going to get it done? How are you going to get the things done? What resources do you need? Where do you need to be? When do you need to be there? All the steps required to achieve the result you're trying to achieve. And you put all this together into an action plan that enables you to accomplish the different things that you need to accomplish your goals and your objectives to achieve your strategy.